Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One very important feature of WhatsApp, it is especially very important to check that uh, your dependents, whether your son, your daughter, your wife, who with which he she is talking more, with which he she is chatting more. How you can check that one? For this, you need to go to click on three dots here, click on setting, here click on storage and data, and click manage storage. Here you can see on the top list is the one with which I am talking more, with which I am corresponding very more, with which I am chatting chatting with him very in large number, and the second one and third one and so on. You can check that who is the person with which he she is talking more, with which he she is chatting more. So this is a very important feature for especially parents to check that his son is talking more with what kind of peoples, with which contact number. One other important feature is that you can also secure your number from someone else. If your mobile is picked by someone else and he is trying to check your chats and your WhatsApp number, you can secure your mobile from that person too. Click on three dots, click on setting, and here click on privacy, and scroll down and click on finger lock. Enable this finger lock here, and here you can confirm your fingerprint, and if you have confirmed your fingerprints here, then your fingerprint lock will be turned on in your WhatsApp. Whenever you turn on your WhatsApp number, a finger lock will be turned on. So without using that finger lock, no one can access your mobile number, no one can access your mobile chats, your WhatsApp chats. So this is a very important feature. You can also use that one to secure your WhatsApp chat from some people's or everyone. If you want to see, you want to keep your chats secure, safe, and privacy, you need to use this feature too. Thank you so much for watching this video.